So looking and researching on the cable, actually the cable is a speed variator, not a throttle cable. So what I'm going to do, as well as that being snapped, I think there is a problem with a blockage in the carb. So I'm just going to whip that apart and have a look, sort that out. That's the carb exposed. I think before I strip the carb off and strip it down, I might just remove the fuel bulb, which just means removing that nut from underneath and see what I can see in there first, just in case it's an easy fix with that. Doubt it, but it's worth a go. So I've removed the main jet, and quite honestly, it was pretty full. A lot of it's cleared out with the side holes around here where the fuel's meant to flow out of. I'll try and get a better shot and see if that sorts out the starting problem and the running problem, and then we'll sort the cable out for the variable speed. Right, well I've done that jet, so I thought I'd give it a trial start now, just see if that does it. I fired it anyway. Okay, well that's sorted the first problem out. I mean, it's still not running smoothly, so I might have to do a carb strip down just to have a look at it. So anyway, we're underway. Shouldn't be too long. Have it back up and running. I'd envisage having to disconnect the whole of the motor system just to get this one cable re-threaded through down into there to a place I can hardly get to at the back there, but we're getting there. Got it all apart and bits everywhere, but the blade's a bit knackered, but I'll try and give that a sharpen as well. But anyway, should have it up and running within the hour, exclamation mark. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Fitzgerald, I hope you're enjoying your holiday. It's just to notify you that your lawnmower is now fully repaired and ready for action. Ready for collection when you are.